Today, web browsers are used for email, socializing, news, video, and more. Tabs have served as our lifeline to our digital world. But with so much going on, it's hard to keep track of everything. Our solution provides a contextual browsing experience that combines both history and current activity. It allows people to navigate multiple websites quickly with minimal interruption to their experience. A typical browsing experience begins like any other. Moving the mouse to the left of the screen, however, reveals the browsing dock, a feature-rich menu that won't get in your way. The browsing dock contains many of the tools Firefox users will find useful throughout their browsing experience. Each tab is represented visually with a thumbnail, which scales based on the quantity of open tabs. We'll look at that in a moment. At the top of the dock, you'll notice something new. We've taken a number of features from around the browser and placed them in easy reach. To open a new tab, click the New Tab button, or use your normal shortcuts. No reason to change your old habits. If you have a lot open, you can group related tabs by clicking on the New Folder button. Make your folder and drag and drop tabs into it. This is a quick and effortless way to organize your tabs and minimize clutter. The Bookmarks button toggles your bookmarks on and off, just like you're already used to. The dock also contains a search function. A user can search all tabs, bookmarks, and the timeline, which we'll get to in a moment. Persistent apps, applications that you leave running in the background of your experience, such as Meebo, Facebook, and Pandora, can be moved to a tray where they become icons that remain in view and easily accessible at all times. Clicking the Timeline button expands the dock to reveal browser history, a contextual storyline of your browsing experience. Paths show the history of tabs, giving users the ability to see where they've been and where they are. To show how the timeline maintains browser history as a visual story, let's take a look at how we got here. First, I logged into Yahoo Mail. Then I viewed a message in Yahoo where I opened a link to Facebook in a new tab. From Yahoo Mail, a new tab opens when I click a link to Mozilla Labs. Then I went to the Facebook tab where I clicked a link to a profile page. I went back to Yahoo and viewed another email where I opened a link to Amex in a new tab. Then I wanted to hear some tunes, so I opened a new tab for Pandora.com to listen to my Cyndi Lauper mix. If a large number of tabs are open, the dock shows small icons and text, reducing clutter and keeping more content in view. This is an example of multiple tabs in use for comparison shopping. The other day I found a great link, but I forgot to bookmark it. With the timeline, I'll never have to frustratingly retrace my steps to find it again. Clicking on any page of the timeline will load that great link back into the current view as a new tab. Users can choose multiple sites for comparison, research, or other tasks, and view them side by clicking the Compare button and selecting multiple tabs or folders. Here we see the comparison view of 3 pages. We believe these concepts enhance the browsing experience by providing the tools for viewing a contextual history while using the tabbing system users are already familiar with. Thanks so much for watching.